Not so long ago, the place people tended to start out was in direct mail. And now, and people still do direct mail, don't get me wrong. It's just that it tends to be on the more expensive side, and it involves several moving parts that I think intimidate people at times. But where people start typically today is by doing text message, outbound text messaging, and cold calling, right? And of course, they use tools like smrtPhone very effectively for parts of that. And that is what I would call like a relatively high impact, although there are of course technical challenges with those two methods, for various reasons. It's high impact, but relatively low cost, right? And people love it for that reason.